Chapter 1. The 20K Illusion. I thought hitting $20,000 would fix everything. Less stress, more freedom, finally feeling ahead. But the truth? That's when things actually started getting more complicated. Chapter 2. The Biggest Money Myth. Most people think money works like levels in a game. Once I hit this number, life upgrades. 5K feels big, then normal. 10K feels big, then normal. 20K? Same story. Because the real problem isn't how much you earn, it's how your behavior changes when you earn more. And this is where most people go wrong. Chapter 3. The Hidden Expense Trap. Let's say you make your first $20,000. At first, it feels amazing. You feel proud, confident, in control. So, naturally, you start upgrading your life. I deserve a better phone. I can afford nicer clothes now. Why not eat out more? And none of these feel wrong because technically you can afford them. But here's the hidden shift. Your expenses quietly rise in the background. What used to cost you $1,000 a month now costs $1,800, maybe $2,000. And suddenly, that $20,000 doesn't feel like progress anymore. It feels like pressure. Chapter 4. The Lifestyle Inflation Trap. This is called lifestyle inflation. Your brain quickly adapts to a higher standard of living. What once felt like a luxury becomes normal. And once it's normal, you don't want to go back. Now you're not just earning to live, you're earning to maintain a lifestyle. And that's stressful. Because now losing income doesn't just mean discomfort, it feels like losing your identity, your comfort, your new life. Chapter 5. The Expectation Shift. Here's what nobody talks about. Money doesn't just change your lifestyle, it changes your expectations. Before $20,000, simple things made you happy. After $20,000, your standards rise. And higher standards mean more spending, more pressure, more comparison. Now you look at people making $50,000, $100,000, and suddenly your $20,000 feels small. So even though you earned more, you feel like you have less. Chapter 6. The Trap Most People Stay In. This is why people stay stuck for years. They keep increasing income, but their lifestyle keeps catching up. So they're always running, but never getting ahead. Meanwhile, others earning the same $20,000 don't upgrade their lifestyle immediately. They create a gap between income and expenses, and that gap, that's where wealth is built. Chapter 7. The 3 Rules That Change Everything. If you want your first $20,000 to actually change your life, 1. Don't upgrade too fast. Just because you can afford it doesn't mean you should. 2. Control lifestyle inflation. Keep your expenses stable while income grows. 3. Make money work for you. Invest it, learn skills, build something that pays you back. Because spending gives temporary happiness, but building creates long-term freedom. Chapter 8. The Real Truth About Money. So yes, everything does change after $20,000, but not because of money itself, because of how you think, spend, and live. If you don't control that, more money will only create more pressure. But if you do, that same $20,000 can become the foundation of real wealth. Because in the end, it's not about how much you earn, it's about the decisions you make after you earn it.
For more finance advising videos, subscribe to the Rich Folio.